Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I got a couple projects going on here. I didn't get neither one of them done yet, but I wanted to get some video done on it. I actually had a couple more going on, but I didn't get any video on those. This is a vertical chamber that I'm trying to get put together. This will be similar to the reverse flow setup with vertical chamber, but it's not quite the same thing. This is going to be a unique build. It's got several things that I hadn't done on them before. We had some cold days here, and I had to get dressed up like it was really winter time out here. That's the top door frames that I'm getting put on. It has that flat bar going across it. I'll pull that off once I get it all situated. I think I've used those same pieces of flat bar probably 500 times, putting them on door frames over the years. It has this big hole in the side. That chamber there will push up to it. It kind of has a door cut out in the front. You can barely see it. But it's actually two different grills. There's the vertical smoker, and then that's a charcoal grill, wood fire grill over there. But you'll be able to run heat into the smoker from the grill. And just getting it all sewed up. Probably takes close to 2 hours to weld that thing out. I'm just getting it off the table so I can get the other chamber attached to it. That firebox sitting on the table is for another project. It doesn't go on here. After I got them tacked up, I went ahead and moved the table out so I can get the stand under there. The stand has 6 wheels on it. It's just how they wanted it. 6 spinning casters. And there you can see I'm framing up this open space on the end. It'll have a drawer there at the top, then a little cabinet pull out at the bottom. That vent in the side right there was really kind of a mistake. I wasn't supposed to put that there. I forgot that that door was going on the front, so now I'm having to work around it. But this is one that I'm working on also, a trailer pit. I didn't build this, but I'm just adding stuff to it. It's on a truck frame. You can see the rear end down there. Got to do some work on that neck. It's bent up pretty bad. But we're going to put a firebox and a smoke collector on here. Try to make it reverse flow. That's the firebox for it. That's the one that was on the table. And then I got the smoke collector coming together over there. Trying to get this cutting done out here because of the smoke. I ended up cutting that firebox inside because it was supposed to be raining. It got smoked out in there, I'm not lying. All that grease starts burning inside there. I wasn't really intending to put this in here yet, but I got it in there and it was sitting looking pretty good, so I went ahead and welded it up. I prefer to put the stack on there before I put this in. This is one of the reasons so I don't have to weld it from the bottom. You can't see it in that table on the back side, but there's actually burners right there. Get some homemade burners. It has a quick connect on the propane though, and I don't have a connection to hook up to it. I wanted to see how they burn. You can kind of see that grease burning in there. It was burning a lot better than that. I didn't get any video of it. But here we are inside. I brought it in because I thought it was supposed to start raining. And I really regretted cutting this thing out inside here. I ended up having to move the corner of that table back a little bit to build the firebox in. Took a little tap to make it fall out. That's about all I got on this one. Pushing the firebox up to it. But I'll have some more coming on it on the next video. So if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.